All right, so today we're
Okay.
diving deep into
Sure.
sequence A000052 from the OEIS
Which is on.
Online Encyclopedia of Integer Sequences.
It's
But, for us cool mathematicians, we just call it the OEIS.
yeah, that OEIS.
But get this sequence.
Okay.
It's not about, like, crazy formulas.
Yeah.
It's about something we use every day.
Okay, I'm intrigued. What is that?
Numbers.
Numbers, okay.
Numbers and words.
It's where math and linguistics
Okay.
kind of collide.
That's fascinating. How does that even work?
Well, A00000052.
Okay.
It arranges numbers based on how their English names are alphabetized.
Interesting. So
Yeah.
it's like we're imposing a linguistic order on a numerical system.
Exactly.
I'm curious to see how that plays out.
Okay, so think about this.
All right.
Imagine you're alphabetizing just the single-digit numbers.
Okay, so we're talking like
Yeah.
1 through 9, 0.
Right. So you would start with 8.
8, okay. Then 5, 4, 9.
Okay, so it's the spelling of the word
Yes.
that determines the order, not the numerical value.
Exactly. So it's already kind of weird.
Yeah, that's a unique approach. I like it.
But it gets even weirder
Oh, there's more.
when we start looking at larger numbers.
Bring on the big numbers. Let's see how this alphabetization works.
Because it doesn't stop at single digits.
It keeps going.
It goes to 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers.
Wow, so the sequence is infinite.
It just keeps going and going. Always based on that alphabetical order.
This is going to be fun.
It is. So let's say we've got 18 and 80.
18 and 80, all right.
We're not just looking at the digits.
Right.
We're looking at the words 18
Okay.
and 80.
So we're comparing the words themselves.
Yes. And since 18 comes before 80 alphabetically.
18 comes before 80 in the sequence.
You got it.
Oh, I'm starting to see how this works. It's like a hidden code within our language.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. And to make sure everyone's on the same page, they use the U.S. English Spelling Convention.
Oh, the U.S. English Spelling Convention. That's important because different spellings could change the entire sequence.
You're telling me, like, imagine if we used British English.
Right, like 101 instead of 101.
It would completely mess everything up.
Totally. It highlights how even something as seemingly universal as math can be influenced by cultural variations.
It's true.
It's like math is speaking different dialects.
And the OEIS entry,
Yeah.
it lays out how those bigger numbers are spelled out.
Okay, so there's a specific set of rules.
Yeah, so like 400 for 400,
Okay.
726 for 726.
Got it. So no room for ambiguity.
Right, because it could change the order.
Exactly. It makes you wonder how this sequence would look in other languages with their unique number naming systems.
Whoa, that's a really cool thought.
Yeah.
This isn't just about English anymore.
Right. Suddenly we're talking about a whole new level of complexity.
So much for math being a universal language. It seems like even numbers can have a cultural accent.
Absolutely. And to add another layer to this, AA000052 even has a programming aspect to it.
Wait, hold on. Programming. So someone's actually writing code to create this sequence. What?
It's true. The OEIS entry includes code in languages like Maple, Mathematica, and Python for generating this sequence.
This is blowing my mind. This isn't just some theoretical mathematical game anymore. We're talking about actual code. What could this be used for?
It's a great question, and it just goes to show how this seemingly simple concept of alphabetizing numbers can have some unexpected depth. Who knew?
This is already so much more than I expected. We've got math, linguistics, culture, and now programming all tangled up in this one sequence.
It's a perfect example of how knowledge can bridge disciplines and spark new ideas, and we're just getting started.
I'm ready to go deeper. Let's look at some specific examples from the sequence and see how this all plays out.
Let's do it. Let's see how those longer numbers get sorted and what really makes A00000052 so unique. Okay. So we've talked about single-digit numbers.
Right.
But let's get into the longer numbers.
Okay, my brain's already starting to hurt. Like, how do you even alphabetize a 1,000-digit number?
Well, we don't have to go that far.
Okay.
Let's take an example from the OEIS entry.
Right.
We've got the numbers 71011
Okay.
and 726726.
So to figure out which one comes first, we got to, like, spell out the whole thing.
Exactly. We need to look at their full written names.
Okay, so we're comparing 101,001
Right.
to 726,726.
Yeah, that's a mouthful.
It is.
But look at the beginning of each phrase. 1 comes before 7 alphabetically.
Oh, so 10-1001 comes first in the
You
sequence.
got it. It's all about the alphabetical order of those written out names.
This sequence really makes you think about the words.
It does.
We're so used to just seeing the digits.
Right.
But A000052, it adds this whole other dimension of language to it.
It's that human element, that linguistic layer, that makes this sequence so fascinating.
Yeah, because math is usually seen as like this objective thing.
Exactly. Like it exists independent of us.
Right, but A000052, it kind of shows that even math can be influenced by human stuff, like language.
Precisely. It highlights how our systems of representation, like language, can shape even seemingly objective fields like mathematics.
It's like math isn't this abstract thing floating out there. It's
Yeah.
something we as humans have shaped.
With our tools for understanding the world, tools like language.
Right. Which makes me wonder,
What's that?
would this sequence look the same in other languages?
Now there's a thought-provoking question. Different languages have different ways of naming numbers, different sentence structures, even different alphabets.
Exactly. So this isn't just about some universal truth anymore.
Not at all.
It's about exploring how different cultures think about numbers.
A000052 becomes a window into the diversity of human thought and expression.
This is getting deep.
It is, isn't it? And it's a testament to the interconnectedness of knowledge.
So we've got math, linguistics, culture, all intertwined in this one sequence.
It's a beautiful illustration of how mathematics, while grounded in logic, can also be a reflection of human diversity and ingenuity.
This deep dive is really changing how I see numbers. I mean, it's making me think about the connections between language and math. Is there like a deeper relationship there?
That's a fantastic question, and A000052 certainly encourages us to explore that possibility. Perhaps the way we name and express numbers influences our mathematical thinking more than we realize.
It's like even in the world of numbers, there's room for the flexibility and creativity of human language.
Exactly. It's a reminder that even seemingly rigid systems can be influenced by human factors.
Okay, so we've looked at the sequence, we've seen examples, we've talked about the cultural side of things. Now I'm curious, what's the takeaway for our listener? What does this deep dive into A00000052 really mean for them?
Yeah, what does this all mean for our listener? What's the takeaway from A00000052?
I think it shows that knowledge isn't just about separate subjects.
It's those unexpected connections
Right.
that make things interesting.
I like that.
Like how we found this link between math and language.
Yeah, it's not something you think about every day.
Right. It makes you rethink how we understand math.
It really does. It's like
Hmm.
O000052 is telling us that math isn't just about logic,
Yeah,
but it's also influenced by human creativity.
exactly. Our ways of seeing the world.
Right. And for our listener,
Yeah.
maybe this makes them think about numbers in a new way.
Yeah. Instead of just symbols,
Right.
they're also expressions of language and culture.
So next time you see a number, think about the word behind it.
Maybe you'll discover something new
You might even be inspired to create your own sequence.
based on your own language.
Right. The possibilities are endless.
The world of numbers is full of surprises.
This has been a really cool journey through O000052.
Yeah, it has.
It shows how a simple idea can lead to some deep questions.
And connect different fields of knowledge.
Exactly. So until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning.
Absolutely.
And happy sequencing.